Namaskar, Dr. Atmaram Pawar. Welcome to NEP Parayan Adhyay 48. In today's session, we will discuss three important aspects of proposed BPharm syllabus. The first, PO and PEOs in the regulation chapter. Second, the internship component, followed by a short discussion on electives. The regulation section plays a key role in defining the structure and philosophy of BPharm program. It should include the program education objectives, the program outcomes, and program specific outcomes. It should also provide a summary table showing the weightage of various course types along with their credits and percentage distribution, such as humanities, social science, basic sciences, professional core courses, professional elective courses, open electives, project, and also the mandatory courses like IKS. The teaching learning process should encourage the presentation, seminar, idea lab, design thinking, and startup or innovation activities. It should be in the true spirit of national education policy. The internship is one of the most significant features introduced by NEP. The proposed BPharm syllabus deserves appreciation for introducing two mandatory internships, each of 4 credits. According to the preface of the syllabus, the one internship will be in a community or clinical pharmacy and other in the industrial pharmacy. Let us now reflect on the important questions related to the internship. Find how many hours are equivalent to the 4 internship credits, because as we see the variation in the credit hours mapping with the practicals. The existing practice school in the present semester 7th, which is of 150 hours, was intended to serve this purpose of internship. But questions are there. Has it truly provided hands-on experience to the students, or has it remained a more documentation exercise? Another question is, should internship is done alongside theory and practical courses or as independent full-time training of a fixed duration? And a major concern is about, can industry and hospital across the India accommodate such large number of students at the same time that those who are studying in the 4th and 6th semester of the program? What is the proposed in the PCA syllabus? Perhaps it would be better to allow students to complete their internship anytime between semester 4 and semester 8 as per the convenience and availability. Most important is that 15 or 20 days internship, whether it will be enough to gain a practical competencies. And if answer is no, then I have two alternatives. Alternative 1, can both internships, that is semester 4 and semester 6 internship, be completed together in the same setting, that is either industrial or the hospital, that is a community or clinical setup, making total of 8 credits. Means in a particular area, the student may have a good competency. Alternative 2, should we even consider a full semester internship similar to what is offered in the engineering and technology programs? Let us look at AICTE's model syllabus for BE Mechanical Engineering as per the NEP. It states that the internship in the industry, startup or R&D lab during 2nd and 3rd year summer is compulsory. So, summer part is for internship. Longer internships of 6 months or 1 year can be undertaken in the 7th or 8th semester in place of projects and electives. The internship must be properly evaluated. This example shows the flexibility and seriousness with which AICTE approaches the practical learning of the engineering students. Hence, for the Pharmacy Council of India, the regulation chapter should include duration and credit equivalence for the internship, include SOPs for conduct and evaluation of internship, and give freedom to the universities, autonomous institutes to decide when internship can be undertaken any time between the semester 4 to semester 8. This ultimate goal is very clear: It is to ensure that every learner in India gains sufficient hands-on, the skill-based training in the area of their interest. If AICT can think for a full semester internship, why not PCI? So thought should be given on this point. As we discussed earlier in the Adhyay 45, both the students and institutions must have sufficient elective choice in every semester. However, in the proposed syllabus, a group of electives include subjects from the same competency area, which limits the learner's freedom to select the particular subject as an elective and to develop their competency. Hence, it would be more meaningful to create a comprehensive list of electives arranged semester-wise in order of increasing complexity and knowledge level. Then the higher education institutes and learners can freely select the electives that align with their interest and available facilities. In a conclusion, the proposed BPharm syllabus indeed reflect the vision of national education policy with flexibility, skill development and experiential learning with a few refinements are required, especially in the internship design and the elective structure. It can truly ensure that every learner receive a transformative educational experience. Here is a feedback from Dr. Vivek Arankhambhe, the principal, the Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College, Sangli. He appreciated the student-centric approach that I have explained. And another feedback is from Pramod Patil, CDSEO officer. Though he is not a pharmacy faculty or pharmacy teacher, he regularly watch the NEP series and send me appreciation. Thank you, Dr. Rankhambhe and Dr. Pramod Patil.